The Vivo X Fold might be late to the foldable smartphone category, but it packs enough advanced features to challenge the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Vivo X Fold is the newest player in the foldable smartphone market, and while there are a handful of competing devices, its biggest challenger is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Vivo is part of the BBK Electronics Group, which also owns brands like Oppo and OnePlus. However, it operates independently from the other brands, using a different design and proprietary technology for its products. Vivo phones are sold in many parts of Asia including China, India, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Middle East. It also sells phones in Africa, the Asia-Pacific region, and Europe. While its phones aren't available in North America yet, Vivo is an NBA sponsor and even signed NBA superstar Stephen Curry as its brand ambassador in 2017. The Vivo X Fold might be a late entrant to the category, but it includes several advanced features. It has an inward folding design just like the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but with claims that the hinge system is more advanced with a crease depth of less than 0.12 mm. This means that the crease is less visible than the one on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. However, Samsung's device has the advantage of being water resistant. The Vivo X Fold features a curved cover display, a punch-hole camera on the inner display, and a giant cookie-shaped camera module on the back. This contrasts with Samsung's use of a flat display for the cover screen, an under-display camera on the main foldable screen, and a pill-shaped camera island on the back. Vivo has launched the X Fold in blue and gray, while the Galaxy Z Fold 3 can be purchased in black, green, or silver. The X Fold has a 6.53-inch cover display with 2520 by 1080 resolution and an inner 8.03-inch screen with 2160 by 1916 resolution covered with ultra-thin glass. Both displays are wall panels with in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanners and 120 Hz refresh rates, but the inner screen has the advantage of being an LTPO3 type with an adaptive refresh rate that can drop to as low as 1 Hz to conserve battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a smaller cover display that measures 6.2 inches with a 2268 by 832 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, while the main display is a 7.6-inch 120 Hz AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2208 by 1766. It has a single side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the performance front, Vivo's Foldable has the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with a custom security processing unit, while Galaxy Z Fold 3 has the older Snapdragon 888 chip. Both phones are available with 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage. Vivo has pulled out all the stops in the camera department, and its partnership with Zeiss is clearly visible with all the lenses sporting a Zeiss T coating to reduce glare. The main rear camera is a 50-megapixel f1.75 sensor with OIS, and is placed alongside a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 12-megapixel portrait camera, and an 8-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with OIS, 5x optical zoom, and 60x super zoom. The 16-megapixel camera is placed inside the punch-hole cutouts on the cover and inner displays. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has triple rear cameras, a 12-megapixel f1.8 main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with OIS and 2x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. A 10-megapixel camera is placed on the cover display, while the under-display camera on the main screen is a 4-megapixel solution. The X Fold has a 4600 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast wired charging and 50-watt fast wireless charging, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a smaller 4400 mAh battery with slower 25-watt wired and 11-watt wireless charging speeds. Samsung doesn't include a charger in the box, but Vivo ships its phone with an 80-watt dual-port GAN charger. Samsung has included S Pen support on the Z Fold 3, but the stylus needs to be purchased separately. Both phones feature Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and dual SIM, but only the Galaxy Z Fold 3 offers eSIM support. The Vivo Foldable ships with Android 12, while the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 launched with Android 11 and has been updated to Android 12. For now, the Vivo X Fold is only available in China at a price of about $1,412 for the 256 GB version and about $1,570 for the 512 GB variant. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 starts at $1,799 for the 256 GB model and goes up to $1,899 for the 512 GB version. The Vivo X Fold is the better foldable in terms of displays, cameras, and processing power. It also packs a bigger battery, charges significantly faster, comes with a bundled adapter, and has a cheaper price tag. Unfortunately, like a lot of the Galaxy Z Fold 3's competitors, it is only sold in China for now. Although Samsung's foldable costs more, it is widely available, and the smaller size may appeal to some users. Additionally, its IPX8 rating makes it water resistant, and the stylus support makes it an even more productive device. Further, Samsung's Galaxy Fold 3 is expected to get software updates for much longer than the Vivo X Fold. So, if you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.